Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rahma.
And my name is Yuda.
In this video, we'll talk about
How to complain and handle complaint. First, how to make a complaint. Don't be so tempered, just ask politely. Hello, this is Yuda from Asus Company. What can I help you?
you know what? I just buy a product and it's really bad. And I'm disappointed. You know what? I just used it for a couple days and it's broken. I think your company is robbing me now.
I'm sorry ma'am, but what product that you have?
A new model of television.
I'm sorry, but our company produces a phone, not television.
What? Sorry? Can you repeat again?
Well, we will not produce a television. We are a phone company.
Oops, I'm so sorry. I called wrong number.
No, not like that. Just tell the customer service slowly and be polite, just like this.
Hello, I'm so sorry, but I have some problem. I already buy a new phone, but it can't work. Can you fix my problem? Thank you.
Well, you already told the customer service what's your problem. Now, tell them what do you want to solve your problem.
Hello, I just buy a new phone, but I think it doesn't work properly. Can you solve my problem?
It looks like we just gave you a failed product. So, how about a replacement?
I don't think you should replace it. I like this one.
Okay, so how about we give your money back?
I don't need my money back. I just want my new phone is work.
Well, how about you bring your phone to our shop to repair it?
Can you give another solution? Because I don't want to come out today. It's too hot.
So, how about our man come to your house to check your phone?
Please don't come to my house because my house is mess. Hello? Is it dead? Are you dead?
Don't be a customer like that. Just tell the customer service what you want. They will gladly help you. Remember, when you make a complaint, make sure about what is your problem. Then, ask the customer service politely. And then, don't make them confused. Solve your problem clearly and tell them what do you want to solve your problem.
Now, how to handle a complaint? Don't get nervous when a customer calls you. Just stay calm.
Hello, this is Yuda from Sunardi Company. What can I help you?
Hello? Yes, I want to make a complaint because my phone, new Samsung, is broken.
What? A complaint? What is your problem, sir? I mean, ma'am.
Well, my phone just...
Please, I don't know anything about it. I don't even know you, okay? It's not my fault, okay? Please don't angry with me, okay? Please.
That was too excessive. Just stay calm, bro.
Hello, this is Yuda from Sunardi Company. What can I help you?
Hello? Yes, I want to make a complaint because my phone, new Samsung, is broken.
Okay, can you tell me what is your problem? Maybe we can help you to fix it.
Listen to the customer's problem carefully, acknowledge the problem, and don't forget to offer a solution.
Hello, this is Yuda from Sunardi Company. What can I help you?
Well, I just buy a new product and I want to make a complaint about it.
Can you tell me what is your problem?
Yeah, I just buy it today and I don't know why it's broken and always crash.
What is your phone type?
It's a Samsung J12.
I see. I think you just built a failed product. We're sorry about that. So how about we give you a replacement?
Oh, that will be great. Thank you.
Well, that's how you can make a complaint or handle a complaint.
We hope this video will help you and that's all from us. Don't forget to like,
Comment
and subscribe.